Hello students, let's talk about another type of verbal. This one is called gerund. So just remember, a verbal is a form of a verb that functions as something else in a sentence. In this case, a gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and functions as a noun in a sentence. Take a look at this example. Swimming is fun. The word swimming looks like a verb at first, but here, it's actually a noun. It's the subject of the sentence. So when we see a verb form ending in ing and function as a noun in the sentence, we call it a gerund. Here's another one. I enjoy reading. See the gerund? It's reading. Specifically, it's functioning as a noun in this sentence and working as a direct object. What do I enjoy? I enjoy reading. Reading receives the action of the verb enjoy, so that's your direct object. Because it's a verb form ending in ing and functioning as a noun, we call it a gerund. Got it? Now let's take it up a notch. A gerund phrase is just a gerund with extra words attached. Like this, swimming in the ocean is exciting. The whole phrase swimming in the ocean is acting as the subject, and we call that a gerund phrase. Gerunds and gerund phrases can do all kinds of noun jobs. They can be subjects as in, running is exhausting, direct objects as in, she loves baking cakes, and objects of prepositions as in, he's good at painting. So remember, if a verb ends in ing and is acting like a noun, it's a gerund. See you around.